Hey you guys out there, this is Jumbo Egg and this is Eggman having a very bad sore throat. So maybe for half a week or maybe a week I won't be able to post any videos. But Jumbo will still be posting videos cause he's not having a sore throat like me. As you can hear, I'm kinda cranked up. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me talking normally in the videos. So soon we're gonna get a mic. I do not actually know how much one might cost, so we need all the support that we can get. Also, I'll be gonna. I'm not Jumbo, just me. I'm gonna give away a gift card for Apple users. It's a $30 gift card, so just subscribe, leave a like for every video. And no, we don't care about those stuff. Just leave a comment. That's all. That's all I need. Okay, maybe a like and subscribe too. Yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. That's nice. So my sore throat is still cranked up. So hope you guys understand how I feel. To the people who watch our videos, thanks for giving me your support and stuff like that. Our subscribers, thank you too. And that's about. Wait, hold on. If you subscribers out there, please Clash of Clans. You guys, it'd be okay if you guys join my clan. Shit, my leg. Okay. If you guys out there, please Clash of Clans. I'll let you guys to join my clan. It's called ALLSTARDOG. I'll leave it in the description below. It's all caps and it does not have any spacings or whatever. That's all. So thanks for watching this video. I think it's about 2 minutes already. So bye guys.